Good morning, everybody. I wanted just to pop on here real quick. I've got, I'm in the mood to make some chili. So in order to make my chili, I want to have some pinto beans that are gonna go in it. But I gotta get them cooked first. So what I'm gonna show you how to do is how to make dry beans in your quick cooker. And I was a little skeptical about this at first because I'm one that likes to soak my beans overnight and make sure that they're really soft because I like a squishy pinto bean. I don't like them terribly firm because I'll add them to chili and I'll add them for like a good old southern thing called beans and cornbread. So like I said, I was a little skeptical at first, but what I am doing is I'm going to show you how to do it because I tried it once and I really liked it, and it cuts down your time. So what I've got right here is I've got a pound of pinto beans. They're dry, as you guys can see. I'm just going to go ahead and add them to my inner pot of the quick cooker, and then it calls for make sure I've got that right. It calls for 3 cups of water per cup of beans, but I always like to have a little bit extra water so that I've got some of that juice to kind of go over my cornbread. So I'm gonna add actually 8 cups of water to my inner pot. I've got all my little containers here. All right, water is added. Then you're gonna add about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil. So I've got that going in. Now one thing I do differently that I just recently found out that some people don't do is they don't add sugar to their pinto beans. And I like to add sugar to mine. So I don't really measure it out, I just kind of do it for taste. I'm going to go ahead and add, this is my sugar, I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar to my pot, and then I'm going to add my salt. Alright, so that's all I've got to do. So the cool thing, I'm going to make sure that my little steam indicator is flush with the handle, and that my red little light is off. Get this away from the microwave for a minute. Put it on. So if you can take a look down here and see, I'm going to move this over to my bean setting, and it says 25 minutes. I actually like to have mine cook longer than that, so I'm going to change it for a custom setting to an hour. So I just come over here to time and then just start adding however much time that I want. Alright, so just to recap, I've got dry beans that I've added to my inner pot. I've got 8 cups of water. I've added some oil, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons, sugar, and salt. So all I'm going to do is press start, and then in about an hour after the quick cooker comes to pressure, then it's going to cook for that hour, and then my pinto beans are going to be all done. They're going to be ready to add to my chili for dinner tonight. So I'll come back and show you what those look like once they are done cooking. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, or if you are one of those ones that is kind of skeptical about cooking dry beans in your quick cooker and them turning out right, drop me a comment below and I will answer for you. But until then, I'll see you guys in just a little bit and I will show you the finished product. Y'all have a great and blessed Friday. Bye for now.